Today I'm going to make celebration chicken wings, and for that I use a pack of fresh chicken wings, full wings, and I place them on a cookie sheet that I have here. And I line it with parchment paper just because it's easier to clean it up. And to that I add pepper, salt, and paprika. Now the amount I use, I just sprinkle it all over. It depends on how much you like, but we like a nice bit of salt, pepper, and paprika. And the paprika helps brown up the wings. I cook them in my oven then at 375 for about 45 minutes. So while these are going to be baking, I make a sauce, and it's like a barbecue sauce. So for that I use a cup of brown sugar. I use 2 packages of onion soup mix. I use a half cup of barbecue sauce and a half cup of ketchup. Now you can use a bit more, depends on how much you like of either. And then I put all that in this bowl with the brown sugar. I have a cup of brown sugar here. And then to that I add a cup of hot water from the tap. So it doesn't have to be from like boiling water, but just hot enough so that it will dissolve all the sugar and the soup mix. Anyway, so I mix this up while my wings are cooking. So right now I'm going to put salt and pepper on the wings and I'll get them ready to bake. So now I'm going to just combine all of this. Make sure my brown sugar is dissolved. I used a cup, but I've doubled the recipe. And when you pour this over the wings and put it back in the oven, as it cooks and gets hot, this sauce gets kind of thick. Thicker than this. So when I put it back in the oven, after the wings are cooked and I add the sauce, I leave the oven at 375 and I cook it for another 30 minutes as long as the sauce is heated through, and usually it's starting to bubble by then. The wings are really already cooked. And I don't cover it. I don't put a cover on the casserole dish. But when you take it out, then you can lay a cover on it until you're ready to serve. Then cool down a little bit maybe. Okay, so that's how it looks. So now we're going to pour the sauce over the